Come test drive the 2017 Volvo V60. The Volvo V60 is all about pure driving pleasure, speed, and performance, all while using less fuel. It provides a luxurious cabin feel with custom-made ergonomic front seats, legroom for miles, and plenty of storage. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear fog light, voice-activated navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.